Ever wanted to record what's happening on your iPhone screen? Maybe to show off your gaming skills, explain an app's features, or create a helpful guide? Well, your iPhone has a built-in screen recording feature, and it's super easy to use. The first thing we need to do is make sure the screen recording control is added to your control center. Head to your settings app, the gear icon. Scroll down until you see control center, tap on it. Now, in the Customize Controls section, look for Screen Recording. If it's listed under More Controls with a plus sign next to it, tap the green plus sign to add it to your included controls. If it's already in your included controls, you're good to go. Next, grab your iPhone and open your Control Center. You can access the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen on newer iPhones, or swiping up from the bottom edge on older models. You should see the screen recording icon. It looks like a solid circle within a circle. To start recording, simply tap and hold the screen recording icon. This will bring up the screen recording menu. Here, you'll see the option to turn your microphone on or off. If you want to record audio with your screen, make sure the microphone is turned on, then tap the start recording button. You'll get a countdown from 3. Once the countdown finishes, your screen is recording. You'll see a red status bar at the top of your screen, indicating that the recording is active. Anything you do on your screen, including actions and audio from apps or gameplay, will be captured. To stop recording, tap the red status bar at the top of the screen. You'll get a pop-up asking if you want to stop recording. Tap stop, and your recording will automatically be saved to your Photos app, ready to be shared. And that's it. You've successfully screen recorded on your iPhone. Now go create some awesome content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. #iPhone tips, #screen recording.